International Institute of Hotel Management.
We'll be making a classic French omelette. It has salt, pepper, and some fine chopped parsley. Medium hot pan, butter into the pan. Let the butter melt, and the egg goes in. Slow and steady. As soon as you see that the rind is getting formed at the base, the white is coagulating, I'm going to move it over. French omelette is ready, and we are going to plate it now. Grilled tomato, grilled chicken shashlik, our French omelette, one nice hash brown.
IIHM International Institute of Hotel Management.